I don't know. I cannot force anybody on my son. It's his own decision. But to me, as a human being, she is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful person. She has a very, very, very good heart. And really, if my son should win this, I will make sure that he gives her half of his win. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Kiddwaya's father has promised to gift Erica half of the 85 million prize money if Kiddwaya wins. Big Brother NAIJA housemate Kiddwaya would have to share the ultimate prize for the show with Erica if he wins, according to his father Waya. Waya stated this during an Instagram live session with Daily Momodu on Tuesday. Erica was disqualified from the reality show on Sunday after she accumulated 3 strikes. But according to Waya, she got into trouble because she was defending his son. Waya also claimed that Erica had Kiddwaya's best interest at heart and saw through the character of other housemates who were trying to take advantage of him. It is not my business what is happening between her and my son. I cannot force anything. But to me as a human being, she is a wonderful human being. If my son should win this, I'll make sure he gives her half of the money, Waya said.